that intro.
Hello friends, so it's been a long time that I couldn't make a video and sorry for that. So from now on, I'm not going to promise you that I'm going to make a video regularly. Okay, so sorry for sorry for this. Now I will try to make a regular video. Okay, so now without wasting our time, let's uh, let's make one intro about what we are going to see today. Okay, so today we are going to see about Git and GitHub. So what is Git? So in a organization, when they are working some big projects, so that project is dividing some small tasks. So each task is given to some developer, and that developer is developing that task, develop uh, that task, and after that task, that features, they they are going to push it to the main branch. So main branch is the branch where all our project is uh, means every developer push their tasks or their features to that main branch, and then in main branch every uh, means project is reside to that main branch. Means Git is the tool for the developer to uh, develop their code and push it to the project. Okay, so that's enough about the Git and GitHub. If you want to learn more about that Git and GitHub, you should prefer some Git and GitHub documentation to learn about it. But that's I told you that's a brief introduction about Git and GitHub. Okay, so now what we are going to see in this video. So in this video we are going to see means about Git and GitHub both. So in this video I'm going to build one local repo of Git, and after that uh, I'm going to push it on my own repo, that is a GitHub. Okay, so I am going to push my local repo to the GitHub, that is remote repo. Okay, so what we need, uh, we should know about some commands to work with Git. So I'm going to introduce about some of the Git commands to achieve that task that we are going to do today. Okay, so firstly we need to uh, create one new folder. Okay, and that folder name is git test. Okay, git test. Inside inside this, open some terminal. So I like hyper terminal. So I'm going to open here hyper terminal. Inside it, just type the pwd that we are going to miss if we are in a right place or not. To see this, just type pwd to see in which folder we are working right now. So inside git test we are working right now. Okay, so inside this, just type git init to initialize the git. So git is initialized properly. So we are in master branch, that is a local repo, that is local branch. Okay, so inside this we are going in this video we are going to track our some text files. Okay, one text file. Okay, so for making one text file we can type we can we should we must type to make one file. We have one command, that is touch file name is test1.txt. Okay, after that, just for check it out, just type ls, that is list. See how much or for which files is inside that git test folder. Okay, now inside this, let's check the git status. So here we are seeing this that the test1 .txt is read. Okay, it means that it is untracked file. So in git we we track files. Okay, we track that their versions. So for that, I want to show you example that how we track that files. Okay, so for that we have some command cat file name test1.txt. So with the help of that, we can write anything inside that folder, inside that file. Okay, a b c d e f a s d something random. Okay, now let's check that what should we what what we have inside the test1 file. There is one command that with the help of that we look through our txt file. I think I'm wrong here. So that is also one command with the help of that we can see which content that resides inside the text file. So inside this ABCD, ASDS, as type of command, some random stuff that I have added here. Okay. So to check git status, so it's check file. So I want to track that. So I want to git add and not to add all, or you can also add your file name also. Okay, like this git test one txt. Okay, so it's added. So git status. So it's added. It's track right now. Okay. So now I want to make some more changes inside that file. Cat test1 dot txt. Okay. Now inside this I want to write Sumit or you say or MCA or BSc. Kind of stuff that okay. Leave it. Leave it. Now git status shows some that in red with in red. It's because we modified that track file, right? So to check which type of content it is a get test dot test1 dot txt, right? So we policy MCBSC. Okay. To we have tracked that file before it. So I don't want that changes that I did right now, but I want my old changes. So here is one command that will restore git restore and test1 dot txt. With the help of that we means restore that which content that we have before it that we modified now. But before modify which content we have, it get that content. Okay. Now cat test1 dot txt. So you think that inside this we have some Sumit policy, MECA, BSc, that kind of stuff. But inside this now we git restore now. So that content that we have before, that content is it now. Okay, let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, and whatever. So it's restore the old content. Okay, now git add. Okay, now git commit. Git edit now. Git commit hyphen m means message. That is modified. You can write anything you want. Modified. Okay. Now we commit it. Okay. Okay. Check the status. It shows nothing because we commit it now. Now let's add that repo. Yeah, this is a local repo. Now we want to add this local repo to my where GitHub. GitHub. Here we need to select one new repo, one new repository, and that repository name is will be git 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 demo, right? Git demo, git demo. Okay, whatever. Okay, whatever. Then just create that repository. So here we have successfully created our remote repository on our GitHub repository. GitHub. Okay. Now just copy this HTTPS git remote repository URL. Okay. Now we have to tell our local repo, our git, to we have our GitHub repo link where we want to add our local repo. Okay. For that purpose, we have to add origin git git remote add origin paste it our link here. Here we add our we tell our git that we have one remote repo where we want to push our local repository. Check that we do it properly or not. We have git remote hyphen v repository to check that we have linked together that remote repository and local repository properly or not. So yes, we did it. Okay. So now we have one command that is git push. Okay. Firstly, we need to check here that inside this we don't have anything. Okay. Now I want to push in this git demo repository. Now local repository, right? Just add here git push um, hyphen u right? Sorry, main not master. Okay, so that command will git push hyphen u origin. Origin means is a standard name of that git remote repository. Git push hyphen u and the branch name is main branch, right? It's a master branch that I want to push master. So our master branch is pushed successfully inside that git repository. Refresh this. We get see changes. The test1.txt inside that some random stuff that I have added. Okay. So we have successfully added our local repository to the GitHub repository. You see, just check that setting and see the branches inside insights and network. Right. See that we have added our master branch to this remote repository. Right. So that's enough for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. And in upcoming days, I'm going to tell you about Docker, Kubernetes, and some stuffs about theory stuffs like operating system. It's gonna be a small videos about operating system, like how memory management uh, is done by how memory management is done by operating system, and how disk management is done by operating system, or how process management, or how multi-processing, multi-threading, and in memory management some stuff like some fun stuff like paging, segmentation plus paging. So you are gonna be love these stuffs when you are when you know about when you know about the page of this. Okay, so stay tuned, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.